Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're doing a new unboxing, guys, on the new Moto E6. So first of all, sorry if I sound a little sick. I'm kind of recovering from a cold, but that won't stop me from releasing these videos. So also sorry for the delayed video released on this. You know, Hurricane Dorian came through, my city and stuff, so I couldn't get this phone shipped here anytime soon, but I did get it today, so that's why I'm boxing it, guys. So pretty cool. So this is, guys, the Moto E6 from Boost Mobile. As you can see, unlimited data, talk, and text. Very nice phone. So very, very cool. Let's go ahead and check it out. So let's go over some of the quick specs here, guys, real quick. So this phone does have a nice 5.45 HD plus touchscreen display, 16 gigs of ROM, 2 gigabytes of RAM. So it's going to have 16 gigs of internal storage. Wow. 13 megapixel main camera. That's pretty cool for, I guess, a budget phone. 5 megapixel front facing camera and a 1.4 gigahertz octa-core processor. Wow, not too shabby. I got this phone for $80 through boostmobile.com, so you can check that out. Let's go in the back and see what else we have here. So here in the back, same thing, some more specs. Same thing, 5.45 inch HD plus touchscreen display. This one has a 3,000 milliamp battery. That's not bad at all, guys. 3,000 milliamp battery for a phone that's basically $80. Not bad. Talk time up to 26.2 hours. Wow. 1.4 gigahertz octa-core processor. 13 megapixel main camera with a 5 megapixel front camera. So that's not really bad at all. So 16 gigs of ROM with 2 gigabytes of RAM. Now this does says with up to 256 gigabyte expandable storage, so you can put a memory card up in this phone, guys, and expand it up to 256 gigabytes. Of course, that's more for pictures, videos, music, contacts, but not apps. Android OS, which I'm guessing it's going to have 9.0 at least. 4G LTE with 2x20 CA and HPUE, so not bad at all. So these specs actually are not bad for, like I said, $80, guys. Now, of course, 16 gigs of internal storage is pretty bad. I wish it had at least 32, but like I said, for the price, you can't really complain. So let's go ahead and pop it open. Like I said, you guys can save some money on this phone, especially when Boost Mobile has sales going on, like Labor Day sales, any kind of holiday sales, you can save 20% off. And before we continue, let's talk to you guys about our new sponsor, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic to save more and to help the channel. So that link will be in the description below, guys. If you click it and install it on your Google Chrome browser and use it, I will get a small commission. So shout outs. And like I said, I've actually saved a lot of money buying these phones through boostmobile.com and using Honey. So check it out. All right, guys. So now let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open and let's see what we have. All right, guys. Now that we have it open, let's go ahead and check it out. Best thing to open this, just use a blade. If not, it's going to hurt your fingers sometimes. So it's really strong. Like, I don't even know what this is, Gorilla Glue or what, but let's go ahead and pop it open and see what we get. Let's do that slow motion opening. Of course, this stuff is pretty airtight, so let's go ahead and see it. Oh, Jesus. Here we go, guys. Wow. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. That is a bright blue. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is probably the most amazing looking box I've unboxed in a while, and that's just because of the color. Really, I like blue, and wow, that is shiny. I don't know if you can see it really in the video, but it is it's like a dark shiny blue. Very nice. Look at the logo here. As you can see, it does reflect very good. So I always like Motorola boxes. Some of these are green, purple, different colors, but this one is definitely a blue. Very nice. So big Motorola logo right there. Nothing on the bottom or the top. So as you can see, here we go. And then let's look at the back. So this is very nice. Nothing else, just tells you what it includes, but no specs at all. So let's go ahead and pop this wide open. So I kind of lost my unboxing knife, so I have to use this like other knife. Ooh. All right, let's go ahead and check it out. Wow. Look at this. Very, very nice. So you can actually put that aside. We'll get to that phone in just one bit. But as you can see, you do have your charger. Let's see what kind of charger this is. So this is going to be a micro, guys, not a type C. So that kind of sucks. But like I said, for the budget price, you can't expect too much from it. Some terms and conditions and legal stuff here. And then, of course, you do have your big battery. So this battery is, like I said, 3,000 milliamp battery. So let's go ahead and check it out. Yep, very, very nice big battery. Wow, what is this? Wow, so that's kind of, I don't know if you can see it, but it says there we go. It's 2,820 / 3,000 milliamps. I don't know what that means, but I'm guessing, it is 3,000 milliamps. But let's go ahead and put this to the side. Desk all dirty now. Let's go ahead and look at the phone. What I really want to look at is that camera. Ooh. Wow. So first impressions, guys, just feeling it without the battery, it's very light, but of course that's without the battery. Wow. And then back here, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's like a checker kind of board in the back. Very, very scratchy. I don't know if that picks up or anything. Let me see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that picked it up. So sorry if that was annoying, but I just wanted to let you kind of hear what this material is. So no fingerprint sensor in the back. That's a kind of big shocker there. Motorola usually does have that, but well, let's look at the phone. So front facing camera right here on the top, guys. Your earpiece, Motorola logo on the bottom, volume up, volume down, and power button on the right side of it. On the bottom, you just have your micro charging port. On the top, you do have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and then in the back, of course, you have your camera on the back and flash, and also Motorola logo. So I do like, I don't know, this. It's a little different from Motorola. Motorola usually has their camera here in the middle, but this kind of reminds me for some reason of like an iPhone 7 or iPhone 8, just how the camera hole looks, and it's a little lifted. I don't know if you can kind of see that, but it is a little lifted there. So let's go ahead and pop the battery open and turn it on. So here's the back of it. Of course, you can put your micro SD card there. There's your SIM card. So very nice. It is plastic, of course. But let's go ahead and pop it on, turn it on, and do the first boot up. All right, let's go ahead and see what we get inside. Alrighty, guys. So now that we're actually in the phone, let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, I already have, it looks like a software update. So yeah, it looks like I have a software update already. So I'll do that later. But let's get into it and see how the phone looks. So of course you do have this nice blue color here. Looks very nice. You have the Google Duo, Moto, Photos, Play Store, calling, texting. Of course, the internet browser, Google, the camera. You can actually swipe up to get to the rest of the apps here. So very nice. Does have FM radio. I see a lot of Motorola's with that built in. So very nice. Let's go ahead and do our drop down menu and see what we get. So we'll get the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, do not disturb, flashlight. So pretty bright. Auto rotate, Wi-Fi calling, which I believe Boost Mobile doesn't have that, so it wouldn't even work. Battery save, data, airplane mode, system update, cast, wow, and of course nightlight. So that's just, it kind of the blue light filter, that way it doesn't hurt your eyes or anything like that at night. So very cool. Let's go into the settings now. So network, of course, connected devices. Networks just basically hotspot, mobile networks, data usage, hotspot tethering, apps permissions, battery, display, sound, storage. So here we go. Big thing everybody likes to see is storage. So wow. So already 5.75 gigabytes of 16 gigs used. So about 36 gigs of your internal storage is already used up, guys. So I mean, that's just the operating system there. So not too shabby. You still get, 10.75 gigs, which is plenty for, most people. Security, so lock screen and all that stuff. Of course, no fingerprint sensor, accounts, digital well-being, Google system. Let's look at what operating system we're running here. As you can see, there it is, Android 9. So you do have Pi here. So overall, it's pretty cool. It's still loading some of the stuff. Here's the camera. So, whoa, you can actually select manual mode, of course, all that good stuff. So, wow. So it does have portrait, spot color, a panorama, live filter, time lapse, and YouTube live. So pretty cool. So I would say the camera looks pretty decent, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Even in here, it looks pretty decent. Of course, you slide to the sides for video. Pretty good too. It does have HDR, which is nice. Then you can actually go here in the settings. As you can see, the rear is 13 megapixels, and of course, for video you can record at 1080p at 30 frames per second or 720 at 30 frames per second. And selfie camera 5 megapixels, and you can record same thing. So wow. Let's look at this and do the selfie mode. So there it is, the selfie mode. Like I said, I'm a little sick, so don't mind me, guys. So pretty cool, just some quick things there, guys. So yeah, not too shabby. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. If you want to see a gaming review or a camera review on this phone, let me know in the comments below. So hopefully you like this unboxing. Hopefully it wasn't too long, and hopefully I didn't sound too robotic, due to me being sick. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, check out Honey. They are a new supporter for our channel. You can also check out netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $65 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. Thank you, guys. You can now hit as well the join button, and you can support me monthly and all that good stuff. So like I said, thank you, guys.